That's it, swim complete, really pleased with that. Total distance today was 16 kilometers and it took me 4 hours 40. So considering the conditions, pretty choppy in there at times, so really pleased to get across. It was beautiful. Water temperature was sort of 19-20 degrees, can't complain about that. And blue water, no jellyfish, nothing like that. Great boat support, great team on the boat, just a perfect swim. So I mean, I love it out here in Lanzarote anyway. Come and do some training. We're doing a swim like that, start of the season, you know, end of April, 19-20 degrees, couldn't be better. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you do like it, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you want more information on Swim Lanzarote, then check out my good friend Paul's website at Swim Lanzarote.